Now, you do need to work in the software version of Canvas Workspace. That's the version that you actually download for free from the Brother website onto your computer. You're not going to be able to access the fonts you've installed on your computer if you're using the web-based online version of Canvas Workspace. So if you haven't already, then go ahead and download Canvas Workspace onto your computer and open a new project. Then click the text tool icon located in the left-hand menu. You'll see your mouse pointer will change to a text cursor, and you'll now see that you have text options in both the top and right side menu. So from the font list, click the down arrow to reveal all your fonts and scroll until you found the one that you're looking for. Click on it, then click into the workspace and begin typing. Then when you're done typing, click anywhere in the workspace outside the text box, or you can press enter on your keyboard. And now from here, you can make many different kinds of edits to the text, like clicking and dragging any of the side anchors of the text box to resize the text. Use the corner anchors to resize the text while keeping it still in proportion. You can change the fill and line color. You can change the line width, the line dash pattern. You can also change the text to a different font. So with the text still selected, you can see that blue bounding box around the text. Click the down arrow of the text font box and, like before, scroll down until you find what you're looking for and click on what you want to change the text to. And if your font has different text styles, which some of them do, then you can access them here in this drop-down menu. You also have the ability to change the character spacing as well. If you want to retype your text, you can do that by clicking into the text box, then type or delete whatever you want. If you use a scripty font, like this one from the May bundle, when you type out the letters, you'll see that the letters overlap. Like it's like cursive writing. The letters are connected. And when you go to cut out these words with your machine, you want the machine to cut it out as one connected word, not the separate letters. And as the text looks now, the machine would cut out each individual letter. And so to change that, click on the text, go to the edit panel and click the weld icon. And then you can see here how the letters connect and it forms one connected word. Just be aware that after you do weld text together, then Canvas Workspace is going to treat this as a shape and not as text. So you can't go back in and try and edit the text. If you don't weld text together, then you can still go back in and edit the text if you need to. When you have the text exactly how you want it, then you can go ahead and transfer it to your machine by going up to the File and Export option, and then I'm going to transfer it via the internet. There is a blog post linked in the description of this video that does show you more step-by-step exactly how to transfer designs from your Canvas Workspace to your Scanncut.